So today in this video we are going to install Canadian air filter for the Duke 200. Have a look on this. So we are going to fix this. It comes with a warranty card, something like that, some manuals, the clampings and some stickers. So let's go to the bike and start fixing. So here's our bike. So in last video we have installed the tail tidy. I haven't shown you properly, so the fit and finish is not that much great. I suggest you, when you fix it, you just paint it off. And the panel gaps are much, it's not an issue, but yeah, it will do the work. And comment below how does it look. So let's start installing the Canadian air filter. To that, you should open this, and we have to unscrew these two screws. So how we have unscrewed, this one comes completely off, and we have to unscrew these two to remove the stock air filter. You can see there is a pipe going through. I don't know why. You can see this pipe running through. It goes till here so that it can take some air. So yeah, this thing comes off. Oh shit, it has been, this is the stock air filter. You can see the condition, how it is. So there is a pipe hose inside this. Turned on the flashlight, so you can see in these pipes we have to connect the air filter. I am doing it for the first time. Let's try to fix it. And I don't understand how to fix it. Let's unscrew these, let's remove this panel, and we'll get an idea. This whole part is the complete unit, so we have to remove this also. I have already said you that the pipe is running through. This is the pipe, so that it can take air from back and it goes through the air filter. So in order to fix this, we have to remove this complete box. So let's remove this box. We have removed the both side of this, and we can't remove it completely because the lock system presents here. So we'll try to remove this box and fix our Canadian performance air filter. So before that, we'll check how the stock air filter sounds. sounds little harsh than before because it has been opened and it is being loosened up. So let's not waste the time and to remove this whole box. We need to remove these screws, this one, so we have finally removed this whole thing out. So we have to remove these pipes and we have to fix it to that, and we have to start fixing the air filter here. So we have taken this pipe completely out from the air box. So finally the pipe is out, so we can fix the air filter through this. So we have fixed the air filter into the pipe like this. In this part goes to the throttle body, and here we have to fix the clamp. So the air filter has been finally fixed after a lots of effort. It's been evening, I have fixed from morning and it has been cleanly fixed. Let's start it up. I don't know why these wires is being there. Okay, let's start the bike and see how it sounds. So the air filter has been completely fixed. Before that, we'll clean all the things out and let's refix the parts. So the modification has been done. I will explain how the performance has been increased and what and all the difference. I will update in the next video, so stay tuned.